In this video, we are going to see how to quickly access the help for sub-assemblies. So that means if you don't know any of the sub-assembly parameters while you are using that sub-assembly in the drawing, you can quickly access the help from Civil 3D and get an idea what is the sub-assembly looks like and what are the parameters. So I have a lane here. Now I am going to add this curb and urban curb and gutter general subassembly to this right side. So I click here. So it gives a property menu here. At the bottom of the properties, you can see there are dimension A, dimension B, dimension C likewise. So, but you don't know what are these dimensions and you have no idea about that. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to go to here, the sub-assembly, right click, then go to help. It will automatically launch the help from Autodesk Online. Then it shows what are the parameters and the description of these parameters. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like that. So if you go down here, it will give you what is dimension A, depth of gutter at the flange point. Likewise, it will give you the description of the all points and all the parameters and the general values used in that one. And also if you can see, go below that, you will see the coding diagram and links and shapes, everything. So that is how to access the online content, online help content for Civil 3D sub assemblies. So I'll minimize this. So usually you have to set these help to access from the online content, so it will give you the most updated contents. So to do that, you have to right click on your drawing area, go to options, and in the system menu, make sure you have this access online content when available is checked. You have to check this one, so then you will get the most updated online help every time you go for help. So that is how to quickly access the help content for sub assemblies in Civil 3D.